Hey dolls, welcome back to DivaDollFlawless. In today's video, I wanted to share with you the first set of press-on nails that I will have available for purchase on my website. This is the box that it will come in. That way, if you're one of those who like to reuse your nails, you have somewhere to store them for safekeeping. Also, we do have on our website nail cards, and you just kind of put some double-sided tape on them, and then you can store your nails on there as well if you wanted to and didn't want to put them in a box. But this box is what's included with the nails. There is a description on the back that will tell you what the nail set is. So this is our long coffin 20-piece nail set featuring our gel polishes in Honey Love and Ortal. You will get 20 nails with all of the sizes 0 through 9 included, so that way you can kind of size your nails the way that you need to at home. For me personally, what may fit on one hand doesn't necessarily always fit on the other. And then sometimes different lengths and shapes, my nail size changes. So all 20 nails will be included. I don't personally do custom orders where you pay me and then I do the nails because I don't have the time for that. I'm running this business, my website, and we have our own family business. So it doesn't allow me time to do custom orders. And press-on nails take quite some time. So included in the set will be this organza bag with a alcohol wipe, a nail buffer, nail file, cuticle pusher, and nail glue. Nail glue is the longest adhesive for like long wear and press on nails. And then you will also receive from me a small little baggie with some nail art in it, and that will allow you to decorate the nails further if you want to. So that's everything that's included with these 20-piece nail sets, and this is the box that it will come in. Anytime I have any more available, I will post them. It'll be first come, first serve, and done at my leisure in between everything else I have going on. But I hope you all enjoyed, and as always, and until next time, have a gorgeous day, doll. Smooches. Mwah. Bye.